What's going on YouTube? Doing a quick review of the Stellex console covers by Classic Accessories this morning. Bought these off of Amazon. They're about $35 a piece, and we're working on trying to get something to cover both the leaning post and the center console on our Carolina Skiff 219. So we're going to unbox these and see how they fit. Alright, so we got our covers on. We got a large for the center console, and we got a medium for the leaning post. Again, this is the Carolina Skiff 219. They're universal fit, so they don't fit exactly, but they're pretty close. I think they cover all the essential parts. The quality seems to be pretty good. It's a nylon type fabric. It's supposed to be 100% UV resistant. It's got some nice drawstrings down at the bottom that really tighten it up really well. Seem to be a good quality string and fastener on it, and it fits pretty tight around the base of the console. The leaning post one is a little bit big, but I like it because it covers all the way to the ground. Again, nice strong fastener on it, and definitely worth the money that we paid for them. So if we get a year or two out of them, I think it's going to be well worth our money. Again, these are the universal fit boat covers from Classic Accessories off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to check these out. Thanks for tuning in.